Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart discount card online, helping you save money with ease. First, ensure you have your physical discount card available. Next, establish a Walmart.com account if you haven't already done so. Finally, prepare to link your unique associate identification number to your new online profile. This is crucial for applying your benefits digitally. Following these initial steps will set you up for success, allowing you to quickly move on to the next stage. Once logged into your Walmart.com account, your next step is to find the area for managing your profile. Look for sections labeled Account Settings or Personal Information. Within these areas, you will discover a clear option to link your associate discount. This is where you will input your unique associate identification number. Double-check all the digits to ensure accuracy before saving your changes, as any error could prevent the discount from applying correctly. This critical step securely connects your employment benefits to your online shopping experience. After successfully linking your card, you can begin shopping on Walmart.com. Simply add all the items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart. When you proceed to the checkout page, the system automatically checks for eligible items. For most general merchandise, a 10% discount should appear, reducing your total. Always take a moment to review your order summary before finalizing the purchase, just to ensure your discount has been correctly applied. This confirmation step guarantees you receive the savings you are entitled to. Utility items are your best friends with any loadout, especially an unconventional one. Smoke grenades are invaluable for creating cover across open fields or for safe revives, offering about 10 seconds of obscured vision. Frag grenades can dislodge opponents from strong positions, dealing 100 damage in a 2-meter radius if precisely thrown. Remember to always carry at least 3 healing kits and 6 energy drinks. These ensure you can sustain multiple fights and quickly recover health during intense moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.